In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel CapCut's 7-day free trial on your iPhone. If you've decided that CapCut isn't quite for you, or maybe you just want to avoid being charged after the trial period, don't worry, we've got you covered. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a simple, straightforward process to ensure you can cancel that free trial before it costs you anything. First things first, you'll need to start by opening up your iPhone's settings. You know that app with the grey icon and the gears? Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're there, take a look at the very top of your screen where you should see your name. Tapping on your name is your direct gateway into your Apple ID settings, which is where we need to go next. This section houses all kinds of options related to your Apple account, so it can be quite useful for managing your subscriptions. After you've tapped on your name, the next step is to find subscriptions. Just scroll down a bit and you should see this option. Subscriptions is where all your current and past subscriptions are managed, so it's super handy. Tap it and you'll be greeted with a list of services linked to your account, including CapCut, assuming you've previously initiated their free trial or subscription. From here, what you need to do is locate CapCut within that list of subscriptions. Take your time to scroll through and find CapCut and tap on it. This will bring you to the CapCut subscription details. Now this is where you execute the most critical part of our process today. Look closely for the option that says cancel subscription. You'll want to tap on that and a confirmation message should pop up. Go ahead and confirm your choice to cancel. Doing this will effectively ensure that your subscription will not renew once that 7-day trial period lapses. It's an easy way to dodge any potential upcoming charges associated with CapCut. In a case where you don't find a cancel subscription button, there's likely nothing to fret about. This generally means that your subscription was either terminated already or wasn't set to renew, which in short implies you're in the clear. That's all you need to do, and just like that you've successfully opted out of CapCut's free trial subscription using your iPhone. This process not only saves you money by preventing unwanted charges, but also gives you full control over your subscriptions right from the palm of your hand. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. See you next time.